Known as the VC of crypto, today we're talking about the Citadel, an awesome new project we discovered and talk with you guys today. As always, do your own research to figure out if this project is for you. So the Citadel token, the VC of crypto, definitely an awesome sounding project, awesome name, very unique. They have this concept of the Iron Bank, which holds the funds of this. So we'll talk about that. It's backed by the founder and dev of this project, who we'll talk about today, who has a large following already. So we'll talk all about this, the tokenomics of this, what this project plans to do with the utility, and obviously the latest updates going on with this project. So let's talk about right now the Citadel. So here on the website at thecitadeltoken.com, and like I said, something very unique, something that I typically don't see in the crypto space, but I do really appreciate it. I love this look of like this citadel, this huge tower just kind of towering over the whole entire world. Lo and behold, the Citadel shall prosper. So who are we? They like to call themselves the VC of crypto, where all citizens' wealth is not stored only in the token's value itself, but also in the Iron Bank that holds all the crypto assets and investment of the greater Citadel. So I really like this concept, and we'll talk more about this. But again, I'm excited about this project. So tokenomics. There's 12% tax on all transactions, where 1% redistributed to all holders, and 11% of every trade goes to the Iron Bank. So that's where they store it. We'll talk about what they do with it. Team and token distribution, like I said, it's found by this community member or founder manager, and I guess famous influencer, Mathos. We all work together on the same goal. We want every citizen to take actions of the Citadel. We believe we work together. We are bigger and stronger than any other team. There are no team tokens nor team tax. All taxes go to the Iron Bank. You must pay the Iron Bank. 10% of tokens went to liquidity. There are no preloaded wallets. Some bots were blacklisted, and sharing supply is only 84% of the total tokens. So let's talk about this. What is Iron Bank? What is it doing? It takes 11% of the transactions. What do they do with it? The Iron Bank is where the Citadel stores its gold reserves. Obviously, the concept of the Iron Bank is something that in past history, it's kind of been referred to. So they're obviously taking this concept and bringing it to the crypto space. The Citadel stores its gold reserve is used for buybacks in addition to liquidity for buying long-term assets, short-term promising tokens, and authentic marketing where all transactions are shared with the Citadel in real time. So that's cool. It's pretty much going to be doing investments and, trying to grow its using the funds that it has, and it's going to try to grow and grow and grow and grow until it's the biggest bank in the world. What's really cool is every transaction takes place in the Iron Bank can be seen in the links Zerion or the Iron Bank ETH. So what this is really cool about this, it takes you to this, the address on Etherscan. It says like, what's the value of it, how much it has in here, what is its holdings. And then it says, and I didn't know you could do this. It has like a name. It says from, obviously I've seen contract addresses, but it actually has like a name, which is kind of crazy. And it has right here, the Iron Bank ETH. So you can see full transparency on everything that it does. And then also on Zerion. Zerion takes a little bit longer to load. So we'll jump on that in a second. In the Iron Bank, not just the high market caps are taken, but also promising low cap meme coins. They're looking for good investments. The next potential 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x are here in the Iron Bank. All the profits made with the trades go back to the cycle through buybacks, making the price for liquidity constantly rise, regardless of whether we have new money coming in or not. It does not matter. The profits made from the trades and tax and transaction will push the price and liquidity pool higher gradually. So again, if you want to look what's in the Iron Bank, a lot of you guys have been talking about Zerion. I haven't used it yet, but seems really cool. I like it's being super transparent. Zerion, I think, is just kind of like a coin stats where it just aggregates a bunch of wallets together. So for this, it's showing everything that's in the Iron Bank. This is not my wallet, I wish it was. This is everything in the Iron Bank. Obviously the ETH we saw, but it has all these things, these investments that they think are going to do well. And it's kind of like the experts behind this project, Mathos, he's like really pushing the feel like, okay, how do we grow the Iron Bank? How do we use these funds? Similar to what a VC does, to make this as large as possible. And obviously the larger this is, the more, the better it is for the holder. So I think it's a great idea. all the profits made in trades go back to cycle through buybacks, making the price from liquidity constantly rise, which is really cool. So again, that's where you want it to go. So the Iron Bank increases and they make good investments. So they're not, I'm sure they're diversifying the portfolio for looking for some like 100x meme coins, but they're also like safe investments, the ones that are gonna like 10x. So I think it's really good, and they're balancing this fund out to make sure that obviously the Citadel is as successful as possible. So the roundtable. So who's the people behind the decisions? The roundtable is a closed group, open for now, where only the Citadel members can access and share promising projects and good entries. So if you're part of the community, you can recommend things to the roundtable. Together with the right connections, we have the information that 99% of the crypto investors do not have, and that makes the Citadel even stronger. So you have the chance to join the private group. If you get great ideas, you know how to find great projects, and you have a say in what they do with this Iron Bank, which I think is really cool. On being supported by the Citadel, we are a movement. The Citadel supports the token. It gets exposed to all our citizens, making it super bullish for the token itself. Have the Iron Bank's address, the Iron Bank ETH, amongst the holders is reason to be proud, and for the reason people start talking about us, the Citadel gets exposed in other community, Telegram groups, and Twitter accounts, and more people get to know us, the free marketing. So it's a really good idea. Like I said, it's pretty much like a community VC, of course, if you're in the private group, and the more successful the investments are, the more successful this project is. So that's essentially it, right? Like they want to keep it really simple. Obviously, you can check out all the investments on it. If you guys are interested in buying this, there is the Citadel token, obviously. You could buy this on Uniswap. You swap ETH for the Citadel. Make sure you get in contact from the website. Here's the price. There's still early on 1,302 holders. Obviously, crypto has kind of been down, but like I said, this is just a fairly new project. I'm looking at this launched on the 15th. So again, fairly new. They have been listed on CoinGecko. They have been listed on CoinMarketCap. And I think more and more people learn about this. Obviously, people know the concept of VCs, and obviously those are a good concept. And it's a group of people that are trying to find the best projects. And if you are always on the lookout for your projects like I am, I think this is an interesting project to be involved in. Obviously, do your own research, not find advice. They also have the audit if you guys want to check it out here. So again, if you guys want to learn more about this, I suggest you guys follow them on Telegram, follow them on Twitter. It's the Citadel token. A lot of people have been talking about it. Obviously, they talk about their updates, what's going on. But I think the most interesting things are when they, what they use for the investments on, what projects they're looking at, and the decisions that are being made there. They also have like this meme competition to keep you guys entertained. But definitely check it out on Telegram. I do think it's really interesting. And like I said, there's a lot of potential here. And I'm going to keep you guys updated on this project as much as possible. But thanks everyone for watching. Catch you guys next time.